Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci.com. Welcome for another weekly edition, my top stocks to watch for the coming week. Like, subscribe, and let's see the charts. Don't go anywhere, don't fast forward. We have many great A+ setups for the coming week for swing trading, of course. CRM, we will start with this name, Salesforce. Last Friday broke the 242 area, very tough resistance. Look left, it was a very difficult area of resistance. Now, last Friday broke up and above. Continuation towards the 251, 260, and as long as we are inside this uptrend red channel, we are heading towards this gap at the 267. Never say never, because we know that more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled. Now the 235, 236 area is the support. W day, work day, look at this. We have been following this on my Twitter, in my YouTube channel in the past 2 weeks, my top stocks to watch, and of course in the Fibonacci Traders Discord, which you are more than welcome to join. It's a monthly subscription. You won't miss any A+ setups during the days for swing trading, for option trading, for crypto, for futures, for day trading, everything that you need, everything that you want to make money under one roof. So check the link in the description below, and once you join the Fibonacci Traders Discord with the gold membership, you will gain access also to this amazing tool, the FTI, that one click away gives you all the support, all the resistance for future price action and multi-time frames, so you have everything on the chart. Now let's see continuation on W day above this red line. This red line goes way back to February, already 4 months of a downtrend, except this anomaly, but after earnings got back down, and now long continuation above Friday's highs. Next resistance will be the 227, 234, and back to the 240. Above 240, we are heading towards the 260 with 217 area, 216 area. Now is the support. Footlocker, FL is the ticker. Look at this trend line, the lower trend line of this option channel, holding nice the higher lows since beginning of May. Each time price of FL reached this trend line, it got bounced. Now I'm waiting for long continuation above the 2660 towards 28, 2970. But as long as this red trend line is holding as support for the higher lows, we're good to go on FL. And of course, everything that you see and hear on my channel is for educational purposes only. Please do your own due diligence. Never, never, never follow anyone on social media, and it doesn't matter how many subscribers, how many followers, how many likes, nothing is relevant. The only thing that's relevant is your risk management, your risk tolerance, your system. Trade your system, and if you don't have a system, first you need to learn one system that fits your daily life, that fits your risk management, your risk tolerance, and your mentality. Once again, you're more than welcome to check the Fibonacci.com website. You will get all the information that you need. Choose one path to your financial freedom to gain lifetime access for support guidance from me and all Discord channels and the FTI, all this one-time payment, and I will assure you, I will do all my best and everything that I can until you will know how to become a professional, profitable trader. SLB. Look at this downtrend line that goes way back April, 2 months of a down, 2.5 months already of a downtrend. Now we are waiting for breakup continuation. Last Thursday broke up. Friday, not much of a price action. Doji, I want to see maybe retesting the 45 area, the lower border of the yellow zone, and then next leg up towards the 46, 44. We have this massive double bottom scenario above the 46, 44. We are going towards the 49 area. IT, look at this double bottom scenario, now reaching to the 457 area, 458 area. We can take Fibonacci to the last 55 trading days. Look at this upper border of the yellow zone, very tough resistance. I have my alert over here. We can take it a little bit down to the 453 area. I don't want to miss all this breakout, and then we can start taking long position. First, this area, the 458, will be the resistance, then 452 and 478. Next, we have a BBV. Broke above this yellow zone last week. Now, holding above the 170 area, we might get some kind of a pullback, retesting the yellow zone, the 167 area as support before the next leg up, back to the 171, 176.06 to the upside. Overall, we have here very nice uptrend, some kind of a pullback, bounce, same as we saw over here, back here, and then next leg up. EA, Electronic Arts, EA Sports. Now at the 140 area, look left, trade right. The 140 area is a very important area of resistance, support, support, resistance. Now the 135 is the support. We can take Fibonacci a little bit tighter, so we will get more to the last 21 days. Now look at this, the 137, support, resistance, support. It was resistance over here, 139 resistance, long continuation, and we will see 142 and 145 to the upside. Overall, we have this amazing option channel on EA that, until proven otherwise, we are heading north. We can take also to here, a slight tighter option channel towards the 142, 145. All you need is Fibonacci and trend lines. That's it. All the rest are purely lagging behind price. Price follows Fibonacci and trend lines. It took me over 2 years to find it out. I went over, I think, 80-90% of all these indicators and all the strategies based on these indicators. Eventually, I found that all these indicators are purely lagging behind price. They tell me where price came from. I don't need to know where price came from. I can see on this name, Rapid 7 RPD, that price came from here, February 61. Now price is trading at the 38 area. I can see it by myself. All I need to do is look left. My problem and all of traders' problems are one problem and one problem only: where price might be heading from now on. And this is why we have Fibonacci and trend lines. Look at this trend line. This trend line, lower highs. High of Friday went all the way to this trend line, got rejected. Now we got ourselves the buy signal last Friday from the FTI. 3 out of 4 time frames on the bullish side. I'm waiting for another day or two, breaking above the red line and then taking long position toward the 39 and all this future resistance that the FTI gives me. And when I say we, I mean the Fibonacci Traders Discord elite team of traders. We have traders for swing trading, long, short, day traders, futures, crypto. What else do we have? Options traders. Many professional traders that helps each other each and every day to find the best A+ setups, where to go in, where to go out, when to stop out, and eventually make money. We help each other make money. Check the links in the description below. Join us today. Second half of 2024 is just around the corner. Yes, believe it or not, we are halfway 2024. If you want to start making real money in this year, until now, it's a great year to make money in swings, in day trades, in options. If you want to start making real money, start trading inside a group of elite traders that will help you make money almost day in, day out, you need to join the Fibonacci Traders Discord. It's a monthly subscription. Test us. You can always go back to wherever you've been. But I assure you, once you join the Fibonacci Traders Discord, you will not want to leave. QLYS. Look at this trend line. Very tough resistance since beginning of May, since this earnings gap down. Now what do we see? We see here a double bottom scenario of the 131, 132 area. I'm waiting for a break above this red line, prefer above the 142 area, and then we can start taking long position towards 133 and 147 as the next resistance. PCVX, very tough resistance in the 75-70 area, but look at this trend line. This trend line helps us to identify that we are above this red line. We have higher lows. As long as we are higher lows, the way is up. All we need now for long continuation is a break above the 75-70 towards the 78 and the 81. CVNA, who don't like Carvana? Carvana with a double bottom scenario, broke and closed above the yellow zone. We can take Fibonacci a little bit higher. So we can take this swing high, swing low, inside the yellow zone. Look at the 50% retracement, the 113.30 area from support to resistance. This is why I say all you need on your chart is the FTI. It gives you all the support, all the resistance that you need. No need to think. Now, all we need to do is ask ourselves, what if Carvana will break above the 113.30 area? Next resistance, 117, 120, 160, and 129. Pan W, Paulo Alto, still on my top stocks watch list. In the past 2 weeks or so, I'm still waiting for a break above the 324 area. Very, very tough resistance. But for now, we are still bullish sentiment on all time frames. Bull still did not give up. Giving up means 2-3 days below the 310, and then this one goes back, retesting this red line, but I'm waiting for a break above. You see, I have here my alert above the 324 area, and then we are heading north. All this future resistance that the FTI give us, and towards this gap at the 360 area. Zillow Group at 49.45 was support, now resistance. Long continuation above it, and we will see 42.30 and 55 to the upside when 46 area is the support. FSLR, First Solar, back on my watch list. Why? We are now at the lower border of this broadening formation. Broadening formation is the only true formation. This is how price moves. This is how price aggregates. Price moves in zigzags. Price does not move straight up. Even this one is not straight up. It's some kind of a zigzag upwards. Moves zigzag to the sideways, zigzag down. This is what creates the broadening formation. Now look at this. All this area, the 260 area together with the lower border of this broadening formation holding a support. All I want to see is breaking above this area, above the 264 area. We can take Fibonacci a little bit tighter. Let's check the last 21 days, maybe even the last 13 days. We can clearly see that the 253 area is the support, resistance 265, above it 275, long above the 275, and then we might get the same bounce we saw over here from the lower border to the upper border, from here from the lower border to the upper border towards the 320, 333 to the upside. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, don't forget to check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom. Until the next video, stay safe.